Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to make your old Samsung phone faster. First you have to go to your calls area. And now you have to put that symbol in hashtag and 9900 hashtag, and I will take you to system dump or SYS dump. So you have to go to debug level, press that, and now it says choose debug level. If you have very less space on your phone, put it high. If you have medium space on your phone, put medium. If you have very much space in your phone, put low. After you do that, then it will restart your phone and it will make it faster. And then after that, you have to go, and I'm now going to show you how to make your phone even faster. Go to settings, and now go to about device, go to software info, build number. You have to press 7 times. I've already pressed that 7 times, so it says no need developer mode as already is there. So you have to press that build number 7 times. Then go back, and then go back again. And now developer options will come. Press that, and now I will take you to this. Go down till you see window animation scale, transition scale, transition animation scale, and animator duration scale. Put all of them to 0.5x. I already chose it. First will be 1x. And now your phone is fast, everybody. Bye. I hope you like the video, and please subscribe and like and share. Bye.